cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tacky.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy,
M.O.B.
cause that be
The
natural. I
infamous.
ain't looking tacky, cause I keep my game tacky.
I'm so pretty, I'm so fabu, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, stuck in these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is jersey on that cartoon and I'm sitting on top.
Hey guys, welcome back to Afros and Baby Hairs, and today we're going to be doing Robin's hair. We are trying to get a quick little look for her today, giving her a break from the braids. So we decided to go with a ponytail with some chain braids as well as regular braids. We're going to do a blend of the two and give her a curly ponytail, and we're going to achieve this with the Denman brush. So right now we're starting off on already washed and conditioned hair. I sprayed it with a little bit of warm water, and now I'm applying this Luster's Pink Oil Moisturizer to her hair. So that's what we'll be doing in the next clips. It's just getting this pink oil all over the head. So right here, I'm just parting the hair where I actually want her part to be, but I'm also going to follow up with a grease, the actual Africa's Best hair and scalp conditioner, the maximum strength. But yeah, half of her hair will be in chain braids and regular braids, and the other half will go into the ponytail. So I'm just getting that part established. And then we'll begin to grease the scalp and grease the hair. So that's what we'll be doing on the following clips. So right here, I'm just brushing the product through to make sure that it's properly distributed. I did split this back section into two sections so that I could manage the hair a little bit better. But I'm just brushing the product through, and then I'm going to do the exact same steps in the other half of her hair. So that's what we'll be doing in the upcoming clips. now for the styling portion, I am parting her hair straight down the middle so that I can create a chain braid straight down the middle of the front section of her head. So that's what we're doing right here. And I'm just sectioning the other part of the hair out of the way. But this is optional depending on, you know, how you style hair. But I'm just getting it out of my way. Her hair tends to get in the way a lot. So anyway, we're starting off with small little box sections, and we're going to braid the hair so far down just enough to connect it to the next section. So these are just going to be like box braids, but they're connected. So as you will see in the actual clip, that I'm connecting the hair as I create the box. So that's how we do that till we get to the end of the front half of the hair. And like I said, we're only plaiting it so far down because we're going to put this into a loose ponytail. So if you have any questions, just leave them below. But it's pretty self-explanatory if you watch exactly what I'm doing. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in this clip. And then on the next clip, we're just going to be doing a regular cornrow braid straight to the back, and then box braids, and then the chain braids, and then another regular braid. So we're just creating a pattern. So it's chain braids, regular braid, chain braids, regular braid, chain braids, like that across the front of her head. So that's the design we're going for. now that we're done with the front half, we're going to go ahead and gather the hair for the ponytail. So we're just going to pull this hair together and put it into an elastic. And then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit more water to the ends of the ponytail because it did dry out a little bit. And then we're going to add a little bit more of the Africa's Best just to seal that water in. And then we're going to go ahead and split the hair in a few sections so that we could style the ponytail with the actual Denman brush. And you want to use like at least a small section or a medium section to actually create these curls, not a really huge section. So that's what we'll be doing in these clips, is just adding a little bit of water, a little bit more of the Africa's Best, and then using the Denman brush to create these curls. Now you can use whatever product that you want to use. You can use an oil, you can use a moisturizer, you can use a gel, and you will still be able to achieve these curls with this particular brush as long as you flip the brush around so that you can form these curls. So yeah, today we're just using the actual Africa's Best and the pink oil to create these curls. And if you would like, you can go ahead and separate the curls once they're dry if you want a fuller ponytail. But I think this is sufficient enough for her particular hair type and her density. So I'm not going to separate them. If they separate, they'll separate on their own throughout the week. So yeah, that's what we'll be doing in the remainder of these clips. So yeah guys, this is basically the end result. We hope that you like it. Let us know how you feel about it in the comment section below. And with that being said, we do want to thank you guys for joining in today. We really appreciate your time and energy. We hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace and love, and as always, be blissful.
DJ Mike C on the track.
Cause that be natural.
Lady
I ain't
D.
looking tacky. I keep my game tactful.
Yo,
Yeah, I'm so nappy.
M.O.B.
Cause that be
The
natural. I ain't
infamous.
looking tacky. Cause I keep my game tactful.
I'm so pretty, I'm so faboo, I'm so natural, it's like it's a taboo. I'm so filthy, got the tattoo, cooking these bitches like I own ragu. On my business with my platoon, getting these minutes like I'm a typhoon. Y'all is cheering on that cartoon, and I'm sitting on top of these buffoons. I'm so nappy, I'm so nappy. All these dudes that wanna get at me, I'm so cultured and I'm happy. Jealous switches wanna combat me, cause I'm comfortable in my skin. End of the day, you lose, I win. I'm so comfortable in my ends, don't care if I make or lose a few friends. And I look like $1 trillion. Lady, you won a lotto, cause in the Lord I trust. And beauty is the motto. Naturally thick in the bud, I'm Billy Blanks on the Tabo. Edges a little rough, just pretend I'm from Morocco. Orient all up in my hair, cause I let my locks grow naturally. My curls popping everywhere, I'm maximizing on this natural thing. Like it or not,